Tell them what they can win, Zach.
No. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Tangents. On today's episode, Crew View FDNJ. That's right, Formula Drift, New Jersey, Wall Speedway. It goes down. And in a surprising turn of events, Hoonigan gets into the barbecue industry.
So it's summertime, and you know what that means. It means you're grilling with your boys. Now, what is worse than trying to flip some steaks with some clapped out old grilling utensils? Nah, you don't need that. That's why we here at Hoonigan have created this super sick Swiss Army grill spatula called the Grill Ninja. It's a spatula, it's a fork, it's a brush, but wait, there's more. You can open wine with it if you're fancy, or beers. Get yours today at Hoonigan.com for a limited time only. Also, check out this super sick shit car tee. Or this brand new Stars and Stripes icon tee. Hit him with the back.
Oh yeah.
Vinny will call you personally. Limited quantity while supplies last. So head on over to Hoonigan.com and get yours before they sell out.
So look, we were all here with all of our hair, limbs, and none of us went to the burn unit, surprisingly. Shocker.
I just want to point out to everybody that I'm purposely not standing tall because Zach doesn't want to adjust the frame and make him look small. Anyway, go.
All right, we're here with El Gigante to release something new, a new segment on Tangents called Comment of the Day.
It's really not that great of a name.
No, it's not.
I like free shit roulette is a way better name. Anyway, comment of the day. Concept's really easy. We have 5 different shows right now. Every day you comment on a show, and if it's funny, it makes us laugh, it's informative, like you tell us something we don't know, like if you know a lot about, you know, triple two-stroke snowmobile engines and we don't, and it makes our snowmobile engine faster, we might like that. Or just a really good observation. Do you have an example of what that's like?
As a matter of fact, I do, Brian.
What would you classify this as? Comical, informative, or a good observation?
This is kind of a combination between funny and smart observation. Okay. So this is from JC West 08. Dan is the mechanic I wish I was, and Bad Daddy Bratty is the mechanic I actually am.
Oh, it's true.
Yeah.
So anyway, stuff like that's what we're looking for. You know, we want to not only encourage you guys to be a bigger part of this community and communicate with us, let us know what you not only like of the episode, dislike of the episode, what you like of the whole thing, or just talk to each other about what's going on. So to reward you on that, we're going to give you free stuff.
That's right. You can get any... Oh, I'm sorry, I cut you.
Go ahead.
No, I was going to say, you can get like stuff like this merch, where we got like an RC car, or hell, man, we'll even throw an Xbox your way.
You never know. Every day it's going to be like free shit roulette. You don't know what you might win. It might be something like that. It might only be a sticker. Well, some days will be special days, some days will be regular days. But yeah, comment, you might win. And we'll announce who wins every week on Tangents at the end of the show. We'll read out your comments, tell you what you won, and send you some gifts.
Nice.
It's as simple as that. Be funny, be smart, try to use some grammar, maybe some punctuation to make our lives easier, and capitalization. Small things in life we ask for. All right, well, word, that's it.
Sick. Anyway, so a couple weeks ago, we had the boys out at Formula Drift, New Jersey for another episode of Crew View, live, but not live, from Wall Speedway.
Welcome back to Crew View. We're at round 4 of 8. We barely made it. We had a lot of delays because the weather is insane. It's Jersey. That's just how Jersey is almost every round. So we're following Jeff Jones for this round. So we're gonna go catch up with him before he heads out to practice, and qualifying is immediately after. Hopefully everything goes well today and we don't have to sit in the rain. Made it over to Jeff Jones's tent.
Time to go do some
Y'all ready? All right, give me a high five.
ass run.
Jeff, I was just informed about this. What? Yamagini doors.
I can't afford a Lambo, so I had to bring a Lambo to me with doors.
These guys are busy. We'll let them get to practice. Talk to them a little bit later. feeling, bud?
I feel like a lot of things that we did yesterday backfired today.
It looks
Like,
smooth. I saw a good
We were
run out
doing
there.
great in the rain yesterday, and then like we were way down on tire pressure. We were super gripped up. Went out to go kill it, and was killing it too much.
Yeah.
Now all of a sudden, I'm trying to figure out how to slow myself down.
Yeah.
Now me and the crew are like, wait a minute, we're too fast. We need to slow the car down. Probably go up in air pressure because the Falcons just make way too much grip.
Yeah.
And so that's something new for us, right?
Awesome.
So what we knew before is not what we know now.
I see you got a new crew.
Yeah, this is Peter.
Hey, Peter.
He's the Irish guy.
He's Irish.
Yeah.
So they're stepping in for you.
Peter, he's local too. Well, when I say local, he kind of lives here. He came from Ireland. We also got Nick. He
What's up,
showed
Nick?
up, brought his girlfriend. We even put her to work, so she's
Oh, no.
and she's sending me video footage.
Oh, she's spotting for you?
Yeah. We got Jeff Marlowe over here.
He's an old school one.
Local Jersey guy. He's been on the team before, but he
Yeah.
didn't do everything this year.
Yeah, he's
But
got a
his
sweet
whole
man
truck-
bun. Also, spotter. Hey, high five me. What's he doing wrong?
I don't know, man.
You gotta be honest. That's what your job is. Everything.
Everything.
Supposed to say what's right.
Wait, what's he doing right?
You tell me.
One of my favorite parts here, these guys are privateer team.
Oh, there is.
All of them volunteering for Jeff Jones. That's some good friendship right there. It is 98% humidity out here. It is disgusting. And these guys are out here working really hard to get him going and hopefully get on the podium today. But we'll see what he's gonna do in qualifying. He looks really smooth, really good. I picked this track because he killed it here last year. It's one of the highest finishes he's ever had, and hopefully he does the same thing he did this year. That's not good. Well, not the way you want to see it. Crash on the first one, so first run's incomplete, and hopefully he can put it together and get one together on the second one. So it looks like quite a few suspension arms are gone, a couple of new wheels. That whole front left driver's corner will probably need to be replaced, every arm. A quick alignment, get right back out there. But boys are already prepared, you can see. Got new arms out, ready to jack it up, ready to get going.
Oh man, that was unexpected.
What's up, bro?
I initiated and lost power steering immediately,
Really?
and had nothing I could do about it, man. I tried to manhandle it out of there, but
Tough shot, get it fixed.
yeah.
Get back
trying
out
to get
there.
to work. We got like 45 minutes probably.
45. So he's got to go from being the driver now to a mechanic and get the car fixed. The boys are already on it, getting it down. So belt shredded.
Yeah. Sick on time, man. This just gave out. I mean, we're like 6 races deep on this one. We had a backup one, but it had an
Got a
issue.
spare?
Yeah. The problem is our spare has already been a primary one. It wasn't a new spare.
Oh, okay.
Just with all the things being so close, it got delivered to the wrong spot. When parts fail, it's always at the worst time, so. Okay, this looks like an easy fix. Just that sucks.
Not much bent on the back.
Nothing's bent? No damage?
She still has control plate.
He can drive it.
He can always drive it. But
Yeah, he'll drive it with the wheels off of it. It don't matter. Just pulled out some of this damage here, what I'm looking at. So, control arm pretty much destroyed, bent all over the place. Not looking good. Wheels broken, a few places, but look at that. I don't know how he grabbed this bolt. Also broke the valve stem off, so that's toast. I don't know what other pro racing sport you're ever gonna see where you have another team helping out another team. These guys ran over, Mike Essa came over and asked, hey, you need some of my guys to help? Pretty cool. Those guys are out to lend a hand just to get them back out there. Everybody wants a fair fight, so everybody wants this guy back out there. Looks like success. Good job, guys. Now you got another job to do. Now you get to go spot. All right, good job, guys. So the car's back together. Obviously the boys did a pretty good job of hustling, getting that together. He's going out for a second qualifying run. Hopefully he throws down a good score. I got myself in a good spot so I can see what score he actually gets on the Megatron. Let's hope for the best. Come on, Jeff. Welcome back, day number 2. We're in Jeff's pit. He's going out to practice right now, but I got to peep at the bracket to see who he's facing. So it looks like he'll be about the 5th battle. He's got Matt Field. And Matt Field did really well yesterday, so hopefully it's a really good battle. We want to see Jeff move on, but another Falken driver, Matt Field, was doing really well yesterday, so it should be a crazy battle. I'm gonna head out to grid, talk with Jeff, and let's see how he's doing in practice. This ain't gonna be bad. The competition's just texting and driving.
Just chilling.
We're following Jeff this round.
Jeff Jones.
And you have Jeff Jones.
Oh, for like the 3rd time this year. Seriously.
Yeah, so it's good to see the competition just sitting there texting and driving. We'll follow Matt later. We get him a little jacked up, give him some crap. I gotta check in with Jeff. Good luck, boys. So yeah, that's the competition for the day. Another Falken driver. But today we're all about Jeff Jones, and we want Jeff to beat that guy. So let's take a look at his car. Good morning. How are you, buddy?
Today is so much better than yesterday.
That's good, dude. How's the car feel?
Car's 100%. I think
100.
mine's back to 100%.
Oh, get it?
After you hit things, it's hard to
Yeah.
get in there, man.
I already messed with Matt Field a little bit, so
Nice.
you guys keep getting each other in battle.
No, this was 3rd time this
You gotta whoop
year.
him.
Hey, I beat him last year.
You gotta beat him.
Beat him last year.
Today's the day.
Boy.
Just when we thought you chilling.
Just when I was chilling. We did break a rim yesterday in the back end, so
Yep.
we knew that we had an impact, and the part was holding together, but I think we've just dialed in so much grip into the car and what's happening with the tank. There's a good amount of stress on the control arm, so the fatigue of it finally gave out, so we're throwing on some borrowed parts right now.
Well, working hard again. No rest for these boys.
No rest.
No
Still
rest.
working.
They'll get it out, get ready, get back out there and go battle Matt Field. Running up now, Jeff and Matt. This should be a rad battle. Can't wait to watch. Ready? feel like Matt probably edged him out, but it's a pretty solid run. What do you think, Peter?
You just went too far in on the last inner clip. So.
Yeah, see the results here. Yeah, I went over the line, huh? Well,
That's it.
a lot of work.
A lot of work, 2 days. At least we got in the show.
Yeah,
They did anything.
a lot of work. Now the judging. Well, good work.
Leaving, buddy.
Bye, guys. I'm sure they thank you for your help. Well,
I wanted
that's
to throw
that.
it down, man.
He threw it down. The lead run was sick.
Yeah, so it really came down to he just got away from me. When I left the line, a little bit too much throttle, car rotated down, and I really wasn't able to catch him until midway after the bank. When I was coming down, that's when I really got my speed. Flew in on him on the outer zone 2, and I was able to stick with him through that. But you know, Matt's got a badass car, and that thing's pretty dialed.
Yeah.
I tried to bring it, but you know, as you see through this video, I'm sure there was a lot of things happening back here that we had to keep working on. So,
Yeah.
hey, but we pulled through. We did our job per se. We didn't win, but you know, we're here for the fans. We're here for support all of our dudes. You know, Falken did a great job with their tires. I'm trying to be able to drive with how badass they are, you know. And then like Adam Brock and all the rest of the guys, Sicky, they're helping me out to be here. So thank you to every one of my sponsors that makes this happen. Thanks Hoonigan for like filming this stuff.
Yeah,
doing
I
all
snuck a
that.
sticker on your car too.
Yeah, dude, I saw that.
I tried to give you some extra horsepower.
Right
Just
in there, I know.
a little extra
that
horsepower.
might be why I spun on the line. Dude.
No, it's not.
That's at least 50 horsepower.
50
right
horse.
there.
Maybe that was just an
Good thing you didn't put
adjustment.
the big one on the back. It would have been like an extra 1,000.
Yeah, you need maybe we'll adjust it next time to see what's going on.
Need more 360s on the infield, I think.
Thanks again, guys. The whole team fought hard. Jeff fought hard, but Matt really brought some A game today. So the rest of the day for these boys is just relax, watch the show. See you next time.
James the Machine
Well, there you have it. Another episode of Tangents in the Bag. Tires, Slade, cars, into walls, barbecue equipment. If you'd like to see more behind the scenes of what goes down at Hoonigan here, make sure you subscribe to our bonus channel. And now, here is your moment of sin. Crew View heads to Atlanta. That's definitely not New Jersey.